Hey everybody! I am so happy that you came to visit me today. Well, here we are again, on the track for another exciting monster truck race. One. It's a school bus monster truck! He loves to drive on the track in his spare time when he's not bringing kids to and from school. Wow! Unbelievable! The bus has gotten filthy during training. Number 2. So, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, here we go. The race is underway. The police monster truck from the second police station leads the race. But wait a minute. Oh, the monster truck from the third station. It's moving forward. It's unbelievable. But, oh my God! The second police station's monster truck is out of the race. He's laying upside down. Oh, the humanity! But there are 3 monster trucks still left. What a race! Wow! The third monster truck is also out of the race. Oh no! And now, here comes the finish line. Unbelievable! The police monster truck from the first station wins the race. Whew! How exciting was that? Number 3. Now it's time to set up a training race. In our race, we have our blue monster truck, and we have the red monster truck, fighting against the yellow monster truck, who's also racing against the green monster truck, who's also racing against the orange monster truck, and the pink monster truck, the white monster truck, the black monster truck, and the purple monster truck. Whew! We have so many monster trucks. I wonder which monster truck will win. Let's start the race. Ready, set, go! The yellow monster truck takes the lead, but after a huge jump, whoa! The green monster truck pushes forward. Then the blue monster truck passes the green monster truck. Oh, what a race! But oh no! The red monster truck has fallen off the track, and he is out of the fight. Some of our monster trucks are having trouble with the obstacles in their way. And here we are, getting close to the finish line, and oh, there it goes! At the last second, she does it! The purple monster truck takes the lead, and the victory is hers. Number 4. Hello to everyone who has just joined us. We are here at the Monster Truck Racetrack once again. Look at the track. Monster fire trucks are having a triumph race there. And that's it! It's all over! TJ has won the race, and the crowd goes wild! Hooray! Number 6. Now it's time to arrange a training race. These are the monster trucks that are involved in our race today. Here they come, and here they are. Monster truck number 1. Monster truck number 2. Monster truck number 3. Monster truck number 4 and 5. Monster truck number 6. Monster trucks with the numbers 7 and 8. Monster trucks with the number 9. And finally, the monster truck with the number 10. I wonder which monster truck will win. Everybody's at the start. Let's go! Our monster trucks have overcome many obstacles in their path. Monster truck with the number 4 leads the race. But wow, look at that jump! After that perfect jump, the monster truck with the number 7 breaks forward and takes the lead. Monster truck number 3 is thrown out of the race. Monster truck with the number 10 bypasses monster truck number 7. What a race! Here we are at the finish line. Suddenly, monster truck number 9 has taken the lead. Oh, he has his victory! Number 7. Awesome monster truck race between the fire and the police monster trucks. I can't wait to start this, so let's get to the beginning. It looks like all monster trucks are ready at the start. In today's race, we have the fire monster truck from the first fire station and the fire monster truck from the second fire station. But that's not all. We have a police monster truck from the first police station, and finally, a police monster truck from the second police station. The goal of our racers, you ask? Of course, it's to get to the finish line by overcoming all of the geometric shapes that we have learned about today. And now to all of our monster trucks sitting at the starting line. Ready, set, go! Fire monster truck from the second station so easily overcomes the first obstacle. This one is the pyramid, and it looks like he's pulled into the lead. The second obstacle is the cone. Our monster trucks drove up to the obstacle one at a time. So easily deal with it. It looks like a police monster truck from the first station is experiencing some trouble. Let's see if he can get out of this jam. Excellent! All monster trucks have passed the second obstacle of the cones. It looks like we have some cubes. Those are the next obstacle on the track. The fire monster truck from the first station is the first who passes through this obstacle. But the police monster truck from the first station is not far behind him. It looks like the next obstacle is made out of cylinders. The fire monster truck from the first station is it's stuck on this obstacle. Well done! That's amazing! We can now continue with the race at full strength. Ooh, what's next? Spheres and balls. Not an easy obstacle is up ahead, but these monster trucks need to be careful. All the monster trucks successfully get around this challenge and now rush to the finish. Oh, this is it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. The police monster truck from the first station is forging on ahead. And can he do it? He does! He wins the race! The race, it's all over! The fire truck from the first station comes in next, but it doesn't matter. The police monster truck from the first station has won the race. And now, my dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Come and visit me again. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.